Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and from the bottom left corner, click on Settings to access your store configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, select Payments. This section controls all payment methods available on your store and is where new gateways are added. Next, look for the Add Payment Method option and click on it. A list of supported payment providers will appear. To save time, use the Search by Provider option and type Payoneer into the search bar. Once Payoneer appears, select it to move forward. After selecting Payoneer, click Install. Shopify will now begin connecting your store with Payoneer Checkout. Follow the on-screen steps to link your Payoneer account and complete the setup process. Make sure all required details are entered correctly so payments work smoothly. Once setup is complete, Payoneer will be enabled as a payment option at checkout. Customers will now be able to pay using Payoneer, helping you accept international payments more easily and improve conversion rates. So, that's basically how you can add Payoneer payments to Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.